Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you what is a skill in Claude Cowork. So as I said, in this video I will show you what is a skill in Claude Cowork. This video will be, I would say, a little bit more theoretical because this is an introduction to the skills topic in Claude Cowork. I will record more videos about skills. I will show you how to create them, how to use them, and a lot of more information about them, but in that case I want to just show you and tell you how do they work. So we can start with the definition. We will move to the Cowork, and in Claude Cowork, skill is a, I would say, reusable capability package that defines how certain types of tasks should be handled. And let's say I will try to now explain to you how does it work. So let's say that we have a task. We are asking something. We are, for example, asking to create a docx file that contains something. So we are doing the task. Then AI model will do something what we call skill detection. So AI model, in that case Cowork, will detect the skill that he needs to use, that it needs to use. In that case, this skill is called docx. If you watched my previous videos, you know how does it work, and you know that if you are creating a file, a docx file, right here on this bar on the right, inside of the skills, we have the docx skill. So we are detecting a skill that the model will be using in the creating, for example, file, presentation, or something like this. Then we will do something with this tooling plus rules. So we'll set the rules, basically what we need to do, and we will prepare the tools. And at the end is the execution of the skill. So if you want to, for example, create a file, docx file that contains the information about, for example, AI, first of all, you are creating the task. Second of all, model will be trying to find the skill detection that applies to the, for example, format that you choose to, that you want to use. So in that case, he is looking for docx skill. Then he is trying to understand the rules and the tools that he needs to use, and then he's executing this skill. So in that case, the skill that is able to create the docx file. In terms of skills, how can you actually see them and how to create them? You can go into customize section, and here you have the skills option. You have the skill creator, you create new skill, you have the information right there. I will record the separate video of how to create skills. Here you have the skill MD, this is a markdown file. So you have the skill creator and a lot of information, creating a skill, skill workgroup, and so on. So I'm not going to read it all, but because as you can see, we have a lot of, it's very long, but you have some examples of how you can do it, how can you create them. If you are interested, you can actually go there and read it. But in the future, I will record some videos of how to create a skill that is doing something, and maybe you will be interested in watching that. But in this video, that's all. As I said, it was a very theoretical video of what is a skill in Claude Cowork. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.